Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a CSV file to TSV in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet, then click on the folder icon. In the File Picker menu, select Upload. Now you have two options, either drag your CSV file into the upload area or click Browse to locate the file on your computer. Once you find the file, click Open to upload it. After the file uploads, it will automatically open in Google Sheets, displaying the data in a spreadsheet format. Next, click on File from the drop-down menu. Then click Download and select Tab Separated Values, Current Sheet from the list of file formats. Save the file to your computer when prompt. Locate the downloaded file and open it to make sure the conversion works correctly. Your CSV file is now successfully converted into a TSV file. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.